Well-maintained coaxial cable is crucial to high-performing wireless audio systems. It's just as important as any other component, but unfortunately, cable is often overlooked. Cable maintenance should be routine and thorough for every audio professional and should be the first step, not the last, whenever diagnosing an unknown problem. We manufacture and sell thousands of feet of coax a year. We've learned that any cable that's been used could be damaged, whether you see it or not. Wireless cable is much more susceptible to damage than normal audio cable. No bit of damage is too small to overlook. Here we're looking at 25 feet of cable that we know from a previous inspection is bad. We don't see anything out of the ordinary. The next step is to use an ohm meter to measure resistance. The meter audibly signals that electricity is passing through the cable as it should. Ohm meters are great for ballpark measurements, but they don't tell the whole story. For the full picture, we need more specialized tools, either a cable analyzer or a spectrum analyzer like this Agilent. Here we're measuring a small length of reference cable to calibrate the system. You can see the instrument reads a perfectly straight line plotted across the top, indicating almost no attenuation. Now we're hooking up a 25-foot length of good quality cable to the analyzer. Since the cable is longer, much more attenuation is present, especially in the higher frequencies. Here's the bad cable we examined earlier. It shows severe signal loss in the UHF band, even though it passed both a visual and electrical resistance inspection with an ohm meter. This damage would manifest as significant drop in gain. We're not trying to convince you to purchase an expensive spectrum analyzer. This video is a reminder to pay just as much attention to the selection and care of your cables as you pay to microphones and receivers. If you don't have access to a spectrum analyzer, and you know or suspect you're working with bad cable, throw it away. It all goes bad eventually, and it's not worth jeopardizing audio quality on the simplest and least expensive piece of equipment.